Okay, so today we're going to be 3D printing a penguin. This penguin looks really awesome. It's going to be very fun. I will be printing it with some support. So let's get started with the print. Alrighty, the part has finished and it has support all over it. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean up the support. Alrighty, so there it is, all cleaned up. Look at this guy. He's wearing a nice little hat, Christmas hat, penguin. Woohoo! Out in the cold, freezing. I love how it's hollow. That really saves on plastic. It doesn't need to be it doesn't need to be solid. It can be hollow like this. So I really like this print. It's very nice. I actually liked him so much that I actually 3D printed 2 big ones and 1 small one. I get done 3D printing this part, and as I'm cleaning up, I noticed that I actually got 2 parts in one. Look at this, ready? What? That's right, another part. And this part is actually the support material that's inside of the penguin. But amazing. Wow, look at that. That is just amazing. Definitely awesome. Thank you very much for requesting this. If you have anything you want to see printed, definitely request it. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next week.